Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the latest LinkedIn update that lets you control whether page owners can export your data. If you want to keep your information secure or simply manage your privacy settings, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and go to LinkedIn's website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings we'll be covering. Once you're on LinkedIn, look at the top right corner of the homepage. You'll see your profile picture with the word Me underneath it. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu with several options. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your LinkedIn preferences. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of categories. Find and click on Visibility. This section is all about controlling who can see your information and how it's shared. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Page Owners Exporting Your Data. This is the new feature LinkedIn has introduced, giving you more control over your personal information. Click on this option to open its settings. Here you'll see a toggle or checkbox next to allow page owners to export your data. If you want to enable this feature, simply switch the toggle on. If you prefer to keep your data private, make sure the toggle is off. That's it. You've now learned how to enable or disable the ability for page owners to export your LinkedIn data. This new update puts you in charge of your own information, letting you decide how your data is shared. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and LinkedIn updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.